Hi, welcome to Data Addicts. So in this video, I'll be continuing with Data Analytics Certification, and I will start with responsibilities of data analyst and what are the key responsibilities and what are the key skills of data analyst. So without further ado, let's get started. First, I'll give a quick recap of part 1 of this series. So in the first part, we learned about the process of data analysis, that is inspecting, cleaning, transforming and modeling. Then I gone through the career path in the data analysis, and then I talked about the modern data ecosystems and their process, and in the end I had gone through the types of modern ecosystems. So the next topic is responsibilities of data analyst. Well, it depends on the organization. But why it depends on the organization? So the answer is that in some organization, an employee can be a data engineer or data analyst or data scientist, or it can also be work as three of them. Well, for example, he or she can extract the data, manipulate the data, and analyze the data, or even predict the future of the findings. Secondly, it depends on the data-driven properties or practices or their tools. A company can also use Excel, Python, SQL or R. Now moving towards data-driven practices. A data analyst can acquire the data, create a well-structured form, and a data analyst can also work on cleaning, filtering or reorganizing the data fragments. Next point is analyzation of the data using tools, and last, preparing the reports, dashboard, or it can also be a well-detailed document. Now, what are the skills required for data analyst? We have TFS, T for technical, F is for functional, and S for soft skills. Now in technical field, the analyst should be well sounded with all the technical softwares. He or she should be an Excel expert or a Google Sheet expert. Analyst should have also a working knowledge of any tools for visualization, and in the last, a computer language also preferred nowadays. For example, SQL, MATLAB, R or Python. The person should know how to analyze or validate the data. He or she should know how to interpret, research, or maybe how to create a theoretical document. At the end, the person should come up with evolving problem-solving ideas that can solve the problems in no time. For soft skills, well, the analyst should know how to work in a team with a team of members, and he or she have the abilities to communicate with team members to discuss on the reports and their findings. Thank you for watching. I hope this video will help you a lot. Stay tuned for part 3. Until then, keep analyzing. Bye for now.